Hi guys, today the time has come, many asked for it. Today I'm taking brand new off-road tires to the test on my SCRAMBLER 400X. I'm testing them in the mud, on hills, and in the sand. I've ditched the stock tires and switched to Metzeler Karoo 4s, and I'm going to find out if they can survive everything I throw at them. And yes, I'm even taking them back onto the street to see if they're actually reliable there. Will these tires crush it, or will I crash it? Let's find out. Alright, I've got to be honest. I'm not super hyped about these tires. But hear me out. The conditions that day were really slippery. This weird, smeary mud that even on enduros I sometimes lose grip on. Given that, the Metzeler Karoo 4s actually held up pretty well. In some spots, I definitely felt more grip than usual. But yeah, there were moments when I wanted more traction, for sure. Remember, this is a scrambler, not a full-on enduro or off-road beast, so we have to keep expectations realistic. Overall, I think these tires did a solid job, especially on the less muddy parts with dirt and gravel. I could really feel the difference in grip there. road, these tires feel pretty good, but I do notice a bit less stability. Since they're brand new, I haven't put many kilometers on them yet. At first, it felt like I couldn't lean in as confidently, and slipping felt easier, but after some riding, I got used to it. Part of that unstable feeling probably comes from being used to street tires on this bike, and of course, these are off-road tires, so you'll naturally lose a bit of that street grip. Overall, I'm comfortable riding them on the road now, and it's not really an issue. Now, when it comes to sand, these tires are a game changer compared to the stock Karoo street tires. I had way more grip and fun, and I could climb that hill way easier, even though the sand was wetter and tougher than before. So, for this bike and this style of riding, these tires are a solid choice. They're affordable too, which makes them even better if you're on a budget. If you're thinking about spending more on fancier tires, ask yourself if that extra money will really pay off on this bike. Sometimes, the best value is the one that fits your riding style and your wallet. For the price and the riding I did, these tires really impressed me. That's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and leave a comment below. Got any questions? Don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And if there's something specific you want to see on the channel, just let me know. I'll try to make it happen. Until next time, peace out.